We will discuss here the possible trade. We have point of interest 1 hour unmitigated fair value gap, so price may pull back to this FVG. As you see, we have liquidity sweep, strong 1 minute inversion fair value gap. You can see change in set of delivery. As price pull back, you can simply enter here and put a sell below this candle which disrespect this fair value gap, and at low time frame there is a fair value gap here. You can see this is the 2:2.5 level of this leg. Exactly, we have strong liquidity here and unmitigated fair value gap, so you can target easily up to this point and we get easily target. The next best trade from here, you can see as the London Open price came here, pull back to this FVG and now moves to the higher. I'm expecting continuation, but here what happened, we have 1 over fair value gap, we have 50-minute fair value gap, so price may chop between these two fair value gaps, so that's why I didn't enter. As you see, if some people will think that price go lower rejecting from this 50-minute fair value gap, now go to the continuation. You can see here price go higher, give change instead of delivery. Some people enter here to the buy side, but you don't have to enter because the reason is 1 hour fair value gap, 50-minute fair value gap, so price may chop between two fair value gap. We need a liquidity to target. You can see we have SMT, so we don't have any liquidity to target to the upper side. In fact, you can see the real manipulation came and you can see there is a lot of low resistance liquidity generated here, as you can see here. And as the actual manipulation came into the 50-minute fair value gap, now expecting a continuation because actually we have liquidity to move the price. You have to apply risk management at this point, and then whatever you get is the extra. You have to trail your SL. You can see this is now 50-minute fair value gap, that is last fair value gap in the, you can see here this is last fair value gap, and then next you can see there is a liquidity. You can see there is a Asia session open here and create this fair value gap. That is, but remember you have to apply risk management here. As we get change set of delivery, immediately enter here, apply risk management there, and whatever you get is extra, and put a sell below this candle which create this fair value gap and disrespect this fair value gap. That's the overall New York and Asia session. As you see, bias is bullish because we have, you can see equal lows resting, and we have point of interest here, very inversion fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, and breaker block. Three things are overlapping here, and that's a good trade. You can see from there a continuously buying came, and then all the liquidity sweep. We have SMT here, SPX sweep all the liquidity, and then from here price actually sell off. And actually I am trying to enter here, but I get closing too far. You can see I am trying to enter here, but I get closing here, so I avoid the trade.